Good morning, my name is Virgil Troutman and I'm here at Kinoshita Elementary School here in San Juan, Capistrano, and we are doing a rehab project on the whole exterior of the property, trying to make it kids that come here. We are having a lot of volunteers, plus this with through Harbor Point Church as well. They're helping out in getting these portables rehabbed. Complete. We are actually, they replaced all the 1x4 and trim around all the windows, and they're rebuilding the ramps, all the side skirts and everything, and we had it all painted in between the buildings. They were separate portables, so in between we had all these centers added in everywhere. But we're looking at a little help with some life deck products. So we have these ramps here that are already have a slurry coat on top of them, but I've used so much of your product, Life Deck, over the years that we would be interested in seeing what we get helped out with you guys to keep it in the community. I'm working with Mac and Angel and some other people. Miguel at Granal Lumber. I've been there, for years. I've used your product. I've had training at your facility as well. I had 6 of my employees trained by your facilities to do decking systems. Actually in the 90s, 97, 98, but we have, I think there's about 10 of these, or 11 of these. But I met out here with this morning, and just hoping we could get some guidance on how to actually use your product to redo these. These are actually diamond lath on the bottoms, on the base, and then that is exterior grade plywood. Inch thick plywood, and these guys have been working hard for weeks, and like I said, they repainted all the exteriors, all the new 1x4, and closed all the openings where the kids were going in between the buildings. And Harbor Point Church, actually all their congregation actually pitched in for all this work, so we actually had to hire these through Harbor Point Church, hire these carpenters and painters through Harbor Point Church. So that's one of the things we're lacking, is a proper coating for the decks. When I got here, I'm a general contractor, and when I got here they were talking about just using paint on top of these, a paint type product, and I would hate to see that done, because it would last maybe a year and it would get scuffed and fall off, and especially like if it's, I think they wanted to use a Bear product or something. And it was like, no, don't. But this is actually going to get converted into garden beds. So they'll have off the ground garden beds in here as well. So we have all these units. They look really modern now. These buildings are over probably 35 years old at least. And their school could only spend money on the inside of the school. Their budget's really tight. So they couldn't get any money for the exterior stuff. Kids just have to have safe classrooms, good classrooms. So there's a lot of other people that are actually helping out, volunteer. All this asphalt just got redone in the parking lot. But that'll be in my other video explaining on that part. So that's what it is. Hopefully Brad came out this morning